Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a kaftan in front of a kaftan like this. I got a message from one of my subscribers on YouTube asking me how to make a front of a kaftan like this, and that's why I'm making this video. It's a quick one, just 3 minutes or so. So if you have any question as well, you can ask me in the comment section and I will look into it and make a tutorial on it. So let's get into today's class. Alright, so let's assume this is my fabric, the main front of the fabric, the main front pattern of my kaftan. From the cut, you're not going to cut it as exact as you would cut the neck. If you are going to pipe it, you are going to leave 3/4 inch above it, so that by the time you are going to sew the interface into it, is going to sew off that 3/4 inch allowance you left, so it will give us our exact neck. All right, so this is the good part of my fabric, and then that's the bad part there. So you are going to place your interfacing like this, and you are going to, okay, let's assume this is my middle line, or let me turn it so that you can have a plain and a clean face. So this is my middle line, right, that I got from ironing the material into two. So you are going to sew just 1/4 inch like that of the neck. You are going to sew it out, and then the front, you are going to sew it like that. You should make sure you sew as little as possible. It shouldn't exceed 1/4 inch. So you are going to sew it like this on both sides. Now, one thing I want you to know is that when you are sewing, when you are turning, don't turn this sharp. If you turn this sharp, it's going to give you a problem when you get to turning the material to the other side. So you should create a curve. Just make sure don't make it sharp like that. You should create a curve like that, and then you continue to the upside again. So after that, you are going to pierce it. You are going to tear it into two. So when you get to the curvy part, you are going to notch it, so that you make it easier for you when you are turning it, right? So basically, it's as simple as that. It's not that hard. I think this is easier than piping, because in piping you pipe and then you are going to put your flap. So let's assume you've already done that. You are going to now turn it and then put your interfacing. You are going to gum your interfacing with the hemming gum. But if you have enough fabric, you actually cut it bigger than this, a complete native that will stop around the armhole. But since if you are managing your material, you are going to cut it like this. So after that, after you've turned it, you are going to cut a pieces like this, turn it, and then sew it inside. Sorry, I'm using a paper because I promised the guy I'm going to drop this video today. So I'm doing a paper to just explain it so that everybody can follow up. So let's assume I've already sewn it, I've already turned it. Then that other pieces that I've sewn, I'm going to put it under and sew it like that. Then I'll turn. When I get somewhere there, I'll stop and then sew on just this part. So this part will be flying like this, which is where I'm going to use my pressing button. So that's it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you've not subscribed, please do. Bye. Have a great day.